This is Sir from Lotus High School. In last video, we learned elimination method, especially odds. Today also I am going to teach elimination method. Two important models are there. So those two important models today we are going to discuss. So the first sum is 49x solve. Find x and y value, solve. 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Very interesting. You see here, this is 49x. Here the quotient of x is 49. Here the quotient of y is 49. The quotient of y is 49. Like this, here the quotient of y is 51. Here the quotient of y is x is 51. Here the quotient of x is 51, y is 51. Here the quotient of x is 49, y is 49. So this is a special sum, very important examination point of view. Both point of view, this model is very important. We have to do this sum by using elimination method, but so somewhat special is there. We are going to discuss that one. Now listen it carefully. Was this sum 49x plus 51y is equal to 499, 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Now one sum I am explaining. Now the same model will be given. The same model will be given for assignment. So this is first model. One more model is there. Afterwards we will discuss. Now how to do? Carefully you see. Once again I am writing 49x plus, once again I am writing 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Equation 1 and equation 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We can do like old model elimination method, multiply with some constant so that we can eliminate y. Now I am not following that model, that method for this, especially for this sum. Why? Because this is a special sum. That's what. If you want, you can do like this also. You will get big numbers and calculation will be very tough. That's why we are adopting a small easiest method. Now first add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. First step. Adding equation 1 and 2. 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Adding. So x family 49 plus 51. 49x plus 51 total 100x. 100x 49x plus 51x is equal to 100x plus 51y plus 49y is equal to 100y is equal to 500 plus 500 1000, otherwise 419 plus 500 501 is equal to 1000. So carefully listen. You take LHS 100 as common. 100 into x plus y is equal to 1000. 100 into x plus y, 100 into x, 100x plus 100 into y, 100y. Have taken 100 as common. So this is nothing but 100 into x plus y, 100 into x plus y. Now I am finding x plus y. 100 into x plus y is equal to 1000. This into 100 will be transposing from LHS to RHS, that will be divided by 100. So 0 0 0 0 cancel. So that is nothing but 10 by 1 10. Therefore x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. This is equation 3. This is equation 3. This is equation 3. Now, first step is adding. Add the two equations. Second step is subtracting the two equations. So, now subtract equation 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2. That is nothing but equation 2 minus equation 1. This means subtract equation 1 from 2. This means equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. What is equation 2? 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Next equation, this is equation 2. Equation 1, 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. 499. Now subtraction. Now subtraction. Because of this subtraction symbol, because of this minus, this plus will be, the plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, and here also this is plus, this plus becomes minus. 51x minus 49x is equal to 2x. 49y minus 51y is equal to 49 minus 51 is equal to 2. 41 minus 2. 49 minus 51 is equal to minus 2y. 49y minus 51y is equal to small number minus big number, that's why minus 2y is equal to 501 minus 499 is equal to 2. Here also you can take 2 as common. 2 into x minus y is equal to 2. 2 into. So, x minus y is equal to 2. The into will be divided by, into 2 will be divided by 2 or by 2. So, that implies x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 4. Somebody may get doubt, sir, you said only equation 2 minus 1. Can we do 1 minus 2? You can do 1 minus 2 also, no problem. Equation 1 minus 2 also you will get the same equation. Equation 2 minus 1 also will get the same equation, no problem. Now we got new equations. One is equation 3 and equation 4. So x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Easily we get x and y values. Now here we got new two equations, x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 1, 3 and 4 equation. Now we can eliminate either x or y. Here y also, because the numerical coefficient of y is 1, here the numerical coefficient of y is 1, x also, the numerical coefficient of x also 1, here also, in this case also it is 1. You can eliminate either y or x. Now I am going to eliminate y. Here plus symbol is there, minus symbol is there. Plus and minus, different signs are there, that's what add. That's what we have to go for addition. So x plus y and x minus y. X plus y, x minus y. This is x plus y, x minus y. Now addition 1y minus 1y is equal to 0. So 1y minus 1y addition. So here 1x plus 1x is equal to 2x. 1x plus 1x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to addition of 10 plus, this is 1x plus 1x, 1x plus 1x 2x, 10 plus 1 11. That implies 2 into x, 2 into x, that's why x is equal to 11 by 2. X is equal to 11 by 2. Now put x is equal to 11 by 2 in any of the equation, either 1, 2 or 3, 4 also. So I'll take x plus y is equal to 10 in equation 3. Equation 3. So what is equation 3? X plus y is equal to 10. That implies what is x value? The x value 11 by 2 plus y is equal to 10. 11 by 2 plus y is equal to 10. That implies y is equal to 10. And here this is plus 11 by 2. If it is transposing from the LHS to RHS, it is minus 11 by 2. By plus 11 by 2, the plus 11 by 2 will be transposed from LHS to RHS, it will be minus 11 by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 11 by 2. That implies y is equal to shortcut method, otherwise LCM you know very well. 2 tens are 20. 20 minus 11 by 2. That implies y is equal to 9 by 2. Y is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, my final answer is x is equal to 11 by 2 and y is equal to 9 by 2. So this model is very, very important. Here 3 or 4 sums are there in the VK Unit textbook. I'll give those sums. All of you practice well. Why? Because this is a very, very important question. The second important model. So it is also HOTS. It's now solve x and y. Here a big equation is there, you see. But the first equation, x plus 1 by 2 minus y plus 4 by 11 is equal to 2, and here one more big equation is there. You have to solve this equation by using elimination method. You have to solve this equation by using elimination method. How to do? Just see. Now first once again I am writing that equation. What is that? X plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 minus y plus 4 by 11 minus y plus 4 by 11 is equal to 2. 11 is equal to 2. One more equation, x plus 3 by 2 plus 2y plus 3 by 17 is equal to 5. X plus 3 by 2 plus 2y plus 3 by 17 is equal to 5. The first equation is x plus 1 by 2 minus y plus 4 by 11 is equal to 2. The second equation is x plus 3 by 2 plus 2y plus 3 by 17 is equal to 5. Now equation 1 and 2. Now first of all simplify this equation before going to do elimination method. Simplify this equation. How to simplify? You know very well. Cross multiplication method, otherwise LCM method. Here I am doing cross multiplication method. Here cross multiplication method, 11 into x plus 1, 11 into x plus 1 minus 2 into y plus 4, 2 into y plus 4, 11 into x plus 1 minus 2 into y plus 4 by cross multiplication method. No, 2 11s are 22. Otherwise if it is LCM method also, why? Because the same will come. Why? Because 11 and 2 are co-prime to each other. If LCM method also, the same will come. is equal to 2. That implies here better you keep curly brackets here. Maybe because middle minus is there, that minus, that curly brackets are very, very important. Now 11 into x, 11 into x, 11x, 11 into x, 11x, plus 11 into 1, 11. Don't forget multiply 11 into, don't forget to multiply 11 into 1. 11 into 1, 11. 11 into 1, 11. Next, curly brackets. Now, minus, here also distributive property. 2 into y, 2y, 2 into y, 2y, 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 4, 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, close the curly brackets. 22 is equal to 2. That implies 11x plus 11, the sign for 2y is plus, because of this minus, this plus becomes minus, that's why minus 2y. Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus, that's why minus 8. Minus 8 by 22 is equal to 2. So now 11x minus 22, minus 2y plus 11 minus 8 by 22 is equal to 2. By 22 is equal to 2. 11x minus 2y plus 11 minus 8 by 22 is equal to 2. Now 11x minus 2y plus 11 minus 8 is nothing but 11 minus 8 plus 11 minus 8 is nothing but plus 3 by 22. By 22 is equal to 2. 11x minus 2y plus 3 by 22 is equal to 2. Now 11x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 2 by 22 will be into 22. That implies 11x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 44. Is equal to 44. 11x minus 2y is equal to 44. This plus 3 will be transposing minus 3. That implies 11x minus 2y is equal to 41. 11x minus 2y is equal to 41. This is equation 3. Equation 3. Once you see that equation 1, I simplified equation 1, so I got this equation 3. So both are the same. This is x plus 1 by 2 minus y plus 4 by 11 is equal to 2, and 11x minus 2y is equal to 41. That is the simplest form of the equation 1. Equation 3 is the simplest form of the equation 1. Now I am going to simplify equation 2. Equation 2. The same way we are going to simplify this big linear equation into variable. 17 cross multiplication method. 17 into x plus 3. 17 into x plus 3 plus 2 into 2y plus 3. 2 into 2y plus 3 by 17 2s are 34. 17 2s are 34. If it is LCM also the same thing will get. So 17 into x plus 3 plus 2 into 2y plus 3 by 34 is equal to 5. Actually here no need to go for No need to keep curly brackets, but we are habituated. That's what I am keeping curly brackets. But because middle minus symbol is there only, very much important. Here not required. That implies cross multiple. Sorry, distributive property. 17 into x, 17 into x, 17x, 17x plus 17 3s are 17 3s are 17 into 3, 17 into 3, 7 to 3, 51. 17 into 3 is 51, 51 plus 2 into 2y, 2 into 2y is equal to 4y, 2 into 2y is equal to 4y plus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now, if you want, you can keep curly brackets, and otherwise already minus is not there. That's what you can remove. By 34 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Now 17x plus 51 plus 4y plus 6 plus 6 by 34 is equal to 5. By 34 is equal to 5. Just here plus symbol is there. That's what I removed the curly bracket. 17x plus 51 plus 4y plus 6 by 34 is equal to 5. That implies, now once again I am writing 17x plus 4y plus 51 plus 6, 51 plus 6 by 34 is equal to 5. 34. So 17x plus 4y plus 57, 51 plus 6, 57 by 34 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. So here 17x plus 4y plus 57 is equal to 5. 5 into 34. 5 into 34. 5 into 34 by 34 will be into 34. 5 into 34. That implies 17x plus 4y plus 57 is equal to 170. 5 into 34, 5 into 34, 170. That implies 17x plus 4y is equal to 170. This plus 57 will be transposed minus 57. That implies 17x plus 4y is equal to 170 minus 57. 170 minus 57 is 113. 113. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So if this big equation we simplified, 17x plus 4y is equal to 113. So now we are going to, this is 4, equation 4. This is equation 4. 2 is converted as equation 4. Now I am going to simplify equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4. We got new equations, equation 3 and 4. So here simply we can eliminate y by, that is only better. Otherwise if you want you can eliminate x also. Y is compatible. Y I am going to eliminate. So For that purpose, I am multiplying into 2, equation 3 into 2. Here not required, as it is you can write, otherwise if you want to write equation 4 into 1. 4 into 1. Now, if it is equation 3 into 2, so that is nothing but 22x minus 4y is equal to 82. 22x minus 4y is equal to 82. If you multiply equation 3 into 2, both LHS and RHS, as it is you can write 17x plus 4y is equal to 113. 17x plus 4y is equal to 1 by 3. Here I am going to eliminate y. Here I am going to eliminate y. I multiplied equation 3 into 2. I got 22x minus 4y plus is equal to 82. And the equation 4 I have written as it is. Now I am going to eliminate y. Here minus symbol is there, minus, and here plus is there. So that's what if it is opposite signs we can go for addition. So addition. So what is the sign of this? Plus 17, and here also plus 113. 22x plus 17x is equal to 39x. 7 plus 2, 9. And here cancellation, minus 4y plus 4y is equal to 82 plus 113 is equal to 195. 195. Here 39x, 39 into x, that's why x is equal to 195 by 39. X is equal to 195 by 39. X is equal to 119 pi by 39 is equal to 5. Now I got x value. Now I am going to find y value. Put x is equal to 5. Just now I got x value, x is equal to 5. In equation 3 or 4, no problem. Equation 3. What is equation 3? 11x minus 2y is equal to 41. X value 11x, 11 into x, 11 into 5 minus 2y is equal to 41. So that implies 55 minus 2y is equal to 41. 55 minus 2y is equal to 41. So 55, this plus 41 will be minus 41 is equal to this minus 2y will be plus 2y if you transpose. So here, here 55 minus 41 is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 2y. 14 is equal to 2y. That implies 2y is equal to 14. 2 into y is equal to 14 by 2. That implies y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. I got x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. Finally, my answer is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. This is the second question, second model. I completed two important models. Here assignment is given. The assignment is from the textbook VK Soni, page number 3.25, question number 3 and 4. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums are there. First sum, question number 3 refers first model. Question number 4 refers second model. All of you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums, and also these sums you complete it and send to your class teacher. But I have already said in previous video, you have to do page number 3.14 to 3.25 in a separate rough book essay. That is nothing but substitution method sums and elimination method sums. So today we completed elimination method. Next class we are going to start cross multiplication method. Everybody should complete the substitution method and elimination method in this 3.4 to 3.25 both illustrative examples and test your knowledge. That is nothing but exercise sums you should complete, and definitely I will check this book after reopening, and also I will conduct the test on based on these sums.